this? B. Good job. What's this? C. What's that? D. Are you 14 months old? Are you sure? What's that? E. E. Good job. What's this? F. Good job. What's this? G. What's this one, Vi? Violet, what's this one? H. What's this one? I. Nine. Oops, here, let's just do it this way. What's this one? Nine. J. Good job. What's this? K. Good job. What's this? L. What is this one? What's this one? M. Good job. What's this one? N. What's this one? What is that? Oh, good job. What's this? P. What is this? Q. What's this? R. What is this? S. Good job, Violet. Yay! What's this? T. Oh. What's this? U. And what's this? What's this one? Violet. What's this one? V. It was the only one you don't know. What's this one? Oh, you got it! W. What's this one, Violet? What's this one? That one? X. Okay, two more. And then you do the whole alphabet at 14 months. What's this one? Y. And what's this one? Right, last one. What's this one? This one? That one's a Z. Z. Say, yay! 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 See, I'm 14 months old, and I know the whole alphabet. Mwah. Say bye-bye. Mwah. You gonna blow a kiss?